is the Boxycharm Premium. For those who are not familiar, this is a monthly subscription box, which is $35 plus tax-free shipping. It comes with 6 full-size beauty products. Average value is $175 or more. Okay, let's open the box. And this is what you see when you first open the box. There's a card on top. And it's hard to read, but it looks like it says Dare to Dazzle. And when you flip the card over, it shows a list of all of the products that are in the box with a little description and the retail price. My variation is $282. The items in the box are based on a person's profile. It can be makeup, skincare, and other. The first item that I'm pulling out of the box is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense Weightless Dry Aerosol Heat Protectant Spray. The nourishing argan oil and vitamin fueled formula rehydrates the hair while protecting against the damaging effects of heat, styling up to 450 degrees, 230 Celsius. The manufacturer retail on this is $28. For use, you spray all over damp hair prior to any styling with heat. The next item is Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. Starting the morning with this scrubber is the best way to reinvigorate your body and awaken the senses to be ready to seize the day. It gently exfoliates with its soft, natural, organic cotton surface, while the soy-based core creates a rich lather when it is partnered with a favorite cleanser. Manufacturer retail is $18. The next item is the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion. Its long-lasting sheer powder blush provides 10 hours of buildable, natural-looking cheek color for all skin tones. Manufacturer retail is $32. Has a magnetic case, mirror, beautiful blush color, and the color is pomegranate. All right, the next item is Skin Regimen 1.85 Booster, a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-link to infuse the skin, lock in moisture in various levels, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance, 99.2% natural origin ingredients, retails for $115. All right, the next item is Zoeva Pure Velours Lip. Color is Matte Chat. Soft as velvet, the ultra creamy formula glides on lips smoothly, combining intense color with a long-lasting formula that sets to a matte finish. The velvety ultra matte liquid lipstick delivers supple and full lips. The formulation of the liquid lipstick is 100% free of animal-derived ingredients, fragrances, mineral oils, parabens, and phthalates, and it retails for $15. Okay, on to the last but not least item in the box is the Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. Life is complicated, makeup shouldn't be. To keep things simple, here's your new everyday go-to versatile multi-use palette with a range of warm to cool neutral matte shades. Choose daytime no makeup looks or go full on sultry smoky glam. This retails for $48. Okay, so now for a recap. The palette is $48. Body scrubber is $18. Hair protectant is $28. The lipstick is $15. The serum is $115. And then the blush is $32. So it's a grand total of $256 for a box that was $37.50. Did you love the box? Did you hate the box? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in my next video.